Where there's a will, there's a way. We like to be unconventional. We didn't want to have a washing machine that just soaked up so much electricity and water, and just like the carbon footprint of that, and a dryer, let's not even talk about that. So we decided, we got a bunch of scraps and junk around. We got these 55-gallon barrel drums. Let's just make an off-grid washing machine. So let's just do this. Let's make an all-American off-grid washing machine. So we're gonna need a clothesline if we're gonna be building this off-grid all-American washing machine. So we got some angles cut, simple 45 degrees. We're using 4x4s. These are gonna be the top. We're gonna have 2 lines running. We're gonna connect these to a base, which are gonna be these guys. And go 2 feet into the ground and connect them on top. So here we go. So these are the braces we're going to be using. We're going to put 4x4 into the ground, tee off of it here, and then like I said, those side braces underneath to make sure everything's nice and sturdy, because we get a lot of strong wind out here.
So right now I'm finding the center of these. These are the brackets we got.
Starting to get a little heavy there with all the hardware. Yeah. 1 down, 1 more to go. Got a turnbuckle and just a hook, regular screw-in hook. This is kind of like a little wire protector, and then this is a little clip to hold the wire onto it. We have some clothesline, some neon clothesline, and it even came with this cute little screwdriver. So now we're gonna put the line up. So this is the final setup, which we did. What we did was take the, what was that called again?
Turnbuckle.
The turnbuckle. And you have this other little piece here. So you thread one of the lines through it. You put this metal piece that helps brace this in the turnbuckle. And then you thread that around and then back through, and then you just simply screw in both ends and it holds it all together, and then that way you can adjust your tension in your lines and make them really tight. So now we're going to do it, we're going to hook it on, go to the other side and get the other one on and get everything nice and tight, and then repeat for the next line.
But in order for these to work, you have to open them all the way before you install them.
Right.
And then you twist them until they're tight.
Yeah, make sure they're open.
You got to get this thing level since it's going to be holding water. And we don't know the right way to level, so we do it this way. And I don't know if it's right or wrong. That's actually dead on. It's dead on.
What about this way? And then that'll be cylinder measurements.
This one off by like an inch over here.
All right, not sure where we left off because the battery died. I'm hoping we got this part at least in. And then we did a middle frame that our ringer is going to sit on in between the two barrels. And then now we're putting up end pieces, and then we're going to go boards over the whole top to hold the thing all down in. And I don't think anything should move at that point, but we'll see.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah. So let's get this other last board up. Oh, no, we didn't even put this one up yet. Sorry. We're still, yeah, we at least got two. Now we're gonna make this thing all American, red, white, and blue. All right, now that we got it all painted, we got the ringer put on. Now let's get the barrels put in, and then we're gonna get some drains put on the barrels, and then we're gonna be ready to wash. So this is a plug? No, not plug. What am I trying to say?
I don't remember what they're called.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember what this is actually called. But this is where the water is going to drain through, and it's going to be able to hook up a hose to it, just a garden hose to the end. So now to cut holes through the bottom of the tank. And now we just gotta see if we can fit it on.
Yep. Wait. Okay, now I got it.
Maybe I should try to use my channel locks. I think that's good. I mean, if it drips a little bit, it's not the end of the world, right?
We can always tighten it.
Right.
These are Plentiful Planet eco-friendly laundry strips. They came with this thing, so we're gonna try them. They smell really good. We're gonna try them and see how they work. So these are the sheets, and you can rip them in half if you have smaller loads. But I'm using 3 because there's a lot of laundry to do, and this holds a lot. And they just dissolve and turn into soap and suds up. Just gotta watch your fingers, I guess.
Yeah, definitely.
Just slow to start. And it goes right into the rinse. This little wedge helps hold this in place to direct the water where it needs to go. I'm going to tighten this a little bit.
If you feel.
I want them to be pretty dry when they hang out. Oh yeah, that works. And these are pieces of a t-shirt that we hung up because we kept running into these. Even though they're green, they kind of blend in. So we ripped up some old t-shirt and that's what we use now. So our last step is to drain, and that's the easiest because you just take these and
Pretty simple.
so that's how we are doing our laundry. We're completely self-sufficient for the most part, except our soap, but eventually we're going to be making that ourselves too. So, you know, for around $300, we built this and our clothesline. They're both going to last us probably forever. It's pretty great, and we get to reuse the water after we're done doing our laundry to water some stuff that we're going to plant over here. So we're just really excited about this. So guys, have a happy 4th and be safe.
And thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Yes, that was perfect.